Welcome to the part 3. You've seen the pods. Now Olga shows you how information and AI keep everything perfectly synchronized.
Hello everyone, and welcome to part 3 of the CogniPod Framework series. I'm Olga, and today we're going deep into the brain and nervous system of CogniPod. If you watched part 2, you already know how the dynamic pods and workflows work. Now let's see how everything stays perfectly aligned. Here are the 3 big ideas on this slide. The unified knowledge platform is your single source of truth. Tools like Confluence or Jira hold real-time sprint artifacts. Everyone accesses the same up-to-date information instantly. Imagine never again wasting time searching for the latest version of a document or wondering what the other pods are doing. The unified knowledge platform acts as the central nervous system, a single digital hub where every user story, burn-down chart, decision, and update lives in real time. No more version conflicts, no more, "Did you see my email?" moments. Everyone, no matter which pod they're in, is always looking at the exact same live information. Let's talk about how this platform stays accurate and keeps getting better. Poka-Yoke adds automated data checks and version control. Kaizen lets users continuously improve the platform. No more outdated docs or alignment headaches. Poka-Yoke, our mistake-proofing principle, automatically validates every entry. Version control, data consistency checks, even automated alerts if something looks wrong. Kaizen means the platform is never finished. Team members can suggest improvements directly, and those changes roll out instantly. The result? 0 outdated documentation and no more painful alignment meetings. Everything is always current, accurate, and easy to find. Now we reach the real magic, the AI that coordinates everything behind the scenes. AI-driven coordination uses machine learning for task allocation. It predicts workloads and spots bottlenecks early. TPS waste reduction and Jidoka quality alerts run in the background. The AI doesn't just assign tasks randomly, it learns from every previous sprint, predicts who has capacity, and automatically balances workloads across all pods. It also watches for bottlenecks before they become problems. On top of that, TPS principles make sure there's no waste, and Jidoka sends smart quality alerts that pause risky items for human review. All of this happens quietly in the background so teams can focus on actual work instead of coordination. So how does this compare to what you're used to? Spotify's manual coordination is replaced by smart automation. Interpod collaboration happens without extra meetings. Governance becomes balanced and effortless. In the Spotify model, you're constantly in alignment meetings and chasing information across tribes. In CogniPod, the AI handles all that automatically. Pods collaborate seamlessly without extra sync calls, and you still get strong governance thanks to the built-in lean checks. It's the perfect balance, maximum autonomy for the teams, but with intelligent oversight that feels invisible. Finally, let's look at the bigger picture this creates. Systems thinking ties pods, workflows, and AI together. Technology-driven scalability becomes your competitive edge. The framework finally delivers on the promise of Agile at scale. Systems thinking means every part, pods, workflows, knowledge platform, and AI, works as one connected organism. The result is true technology-driven scalability. You can grow from 3 pods to 30 without chaos. Agile at scale finally works the way it was always promised: fast, innovative, and actually enjoyable for the teams. That's the brain and nervous system of CogniPod. In the final part, we'll look at real results, implementation steps, and the impressive KPI wins.
In the final part, we look at real results, implementation steps, and the impressive KPI wins. Stay tuned for part 4. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and download the full framework PDFs from the description. Thanks for watching.